Watch Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, giving the keys of the first Giga Berlin made Tesla Model Y to its first owner. This is history in making. Let's see how this happened and then continue. Well, indeed an interesting video. You see, some people were wondering if Elon Musk is here, but yes, you can see him in the background of the video giving the keys to the first owner. Looks like it was a group of people who came with friends or family members taking the delivery of the first Model Y made in Giga Berlin, and they're very excited. People are clapping. I even saw a drone flying over somewhere there, as well as fireworks when the car first Model Y made in Giga Berlin officially for sale leaving Giga Berlin. So this is very exciting, friends. Really exciting time. Big day for Tesla Giga Berlin, Tesla and automotive industry. March 22nd, 2022. Remember that date. Delivery date in the Tesla Giga Berlin-Brandenburg. Tesla boss Elon Musk personally handed over the first 30 Model Y produced in the Giga Berlin to their new owners. They were given a detailed tour of the factory beforehand receiving the Giga Berlin made Model Ys, and they could request a song for the handover of their car, apparently, according to Automotor Sports from Germany publication. So they could request the handover song for their car and then celebrate the opening with invited guests. Incidentally, only the top Model Y performance will be built in Grünheide at the start of the production. Now, the fourth Tesla Gigafactory is also Tesla's first production site in Europe and its most advanced, sustainable and efficient factory to date. The Gigafactory Berlin is the fifth major Tesla production facility worldwide, alongside the plant in Fremont, California, and the gigafactories in Reno, Nevada, Buffalo, New York, and Buffalo, New York doesn't make cars, of course, and Shanghai, China, Giga Shanghai. Although Tesla was unable to keep the start of production originally planned for July 2021, the new factory was built in record time, although it was 8 months late, but still record time comparing to German standards. You have to compare oranges to oranges and apples to apples. After the announcement in November 2019, the construction phase began in spring 2020. The Gigafactory Berlin combines several production units on its 300-hectare site with a total area of more than 227,000 square meters. Please do not confuse 300 hectares to acres. They seem similar, but they are different things. So 30,000 Model Ys in 2022 will be produced at Giga Berlin. According to Tesla, at full capacity, about up to 12,000 employees will produce cars, battery cells, batteries, electric motors, plastic parts, seats, and axles at Giga Berlin. Tesla wants to do as much parts production inside the factory as much as possible in order to avoid supply chain issues. The factory Giga Berlin currently employs 30,000 people and has produced plenty of pre-series Model Ys in recent weeks. They called it trial operation at Tesla because the final operating permit had not yet been issued at the time. In the first half of 2022, Automotor Sports says 30,000 Tesla Model Y vehicles are expected to leave the Giga Berlin factory. So this is March 23rd already. We still have 9 months to build 30,000 vehicles, and we can do the calculation how many vehicles Tesla will ramp up on average per week and per month. I will have a report today on that with detailed numbers on how many vehicles we can expect ramping up with weekly and monthly. So follow us and please subscribe to this channel for daily breaking Tesla news from Giga Berlin, other gigafactories, and Tesla and Elon Musk in general. Not only Tesla fans around the world are particularly excited about the quality of the electric vehicles that come from the German plant Giga Berlin. Expectations are really high in this respect, with an expected annual production capacity of 500,000 vehicles. It was unclear until the end whether the regional water supplier would be allowed to supply the Gigafactory water at all. As I reported a couple of days ago, on March 4th, the administrative court in Frankfurt rejected the approval of the water pumping at the Eggersdorf fountain for formal reasons. This funding also includes Tesla's Gigafactory. According to the Responsible Water Association Strasbourg-Erkner, it's called WSC, the legal basis for the water supply would no longer apply. The Brandenburg State Office for the Environment, called LFU, saved the legal basis by tolerating the total production volume of around 3.8 million cubic meters per year of water, of course. At the same time, they also worked on the subject of water at Tesla. Based on the experiences in the gigafactories Reno and Shanghai, Tesla wants to reduce the water consumption per car in Grünheide well below the industry average to 2 cubic meters per car, I guess. Apart from the large, I guess I didn't say that number correctly, but the German publication says 2, which I don't know what the computation is. Incidentally, Grünheide is not Tesla's first production site in Germany. Tesla was eyeing other locations before Grünheide. On January 3, 2017, the Americans took over the Prum in Rheinland-Palatinate-based supplier Grohmann Engineering. The mechanical engineering company, which has been renamed Tesla Grohmann Automation, operates further location in Notronbilk, Bavaria, in Chandler, and in the United States of Arizona and also in Shanghai. The company created the production system for the Tesla Model 3 and builds assembly machines for manufacturing battery cells and modules. With the takeover by Tesla, the manufacturer was forced to break off all existing business relationships with manufacturers competing with Tesla, such as BMW and Daimler, Automotor from Germany writes. When it comes to suppliers, Tesla has been working closely with German companies for a long time. Important components come from Bosch, Bros, ZF, and Continental, Elektrobit. Even car manufacturer Daimler supplies components to its competitors. Can you believe that? Now, Tesla starts in Germany and attacks the domestic auto industry on its own soil. After an 8-month delay due to the environmental approval procedures, car production at Giga Berlin has now started with full operating licenses. But that's just the beginning, friends, because the approval for the production of batteries has already been granted. Tesla has been attracted by the radiance of nearby unprovincial Berlin with its startup charm controversy. Tesla is now attracting many suppliers and other innovative companies to the gates of the capital. With the Gigafactory Berlin, the knot for major projects in Brandenburg has finally burst, a great success for the state. What do you think, friends? I think this is very exciting time for Bavaria, for Tesla, for Giga Berlin. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. For daily Tesla news, ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, as I'm going to bring you some more numbers, and I'm also going to have another video coming today showing the first owner of Giga Berlin Model Y driving off from the Tesla Gigafactory outside. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Peace to the world and to you personally. Blessings to your families, and see you soon in our next Tesla report.